What up, y'all? It's your boy E, back again with another video. And today we came to sourcing out in New York, and look at the vibes, y'all. Like, this don't even look real. It looks so crazy in here. Let's go check out some factories. Let's go see what we can make. All right, so what do you guys sell here?
We sell different type of denims. It's starting from street brands to brands, retailers, everywhere.
What's the number one product that you guys sell? What's the hero product? What are you the best
at?
Right
now, it depends on the market, on different seasons. But right now, this is one of our top selling products.
And what would be the minimums on something like this?
For this, the minimum is 300 pieces.
300 pieces.
Yeah.
And what's the price?
This will, for the 300 pieces, the per piece price will be $12.
$12. That's FOB?
That's FOB.
And then this is the wash swatches. Like, this is the different variations that they
This is the raw fabric. This is the raw fabric, and these are the different wash down. You see, the raw fabric is very dark.
Yeah.
And it can be washed down to different lighter shade levels.
How customizable can they get in terms of the wash?
It can be anything because different market has different requirements. So depending on customers, it can be washed differently, lasers, distraction, dry processes. Okay. There are a variety of...
A lot of variations.
Yes.
In terms of like tech packs, because with jeans, I know that it's so hard to get the sizing right. Do you guys help with the tech pack, or what are you looking for when somebody orders jeans? In terms of like the sizing of the tech packs?
Basically, we take a full tech packs for what will be the waist, what will be the sheens and everywhere. Mm-hmm. So based on that, we measure everything and make the jeans accordingly.
So it's on the consumer, it's on the buyer to come up with a good tech pack.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Yeah, so whenever you guys are ordering jeans, you got to remember the one thing about jeans is the sizing. You know, there's so many different variations. Do you want it stacked? Do you want it skinny? Do you want to go crazy wide? And whichever way you want to go, Hasibo is not going to make the tech pack for you. I mean, can you cook? Are you a good cooker?
Yeah.
Can you show me good cooking? Like this, like the cooking, good cooking, yeah. So he can cook, but he can't cook that much to where he's not gonna make a tech pack for you. So you gotta have your own tech packs. In terms of, do you know the brand Denim Tiers?
Yeah.
You know the white patches that they do all over?
Yes.
Can you guys offer that printing service?
Yes. We can put any patches, any laser logos, anything you want.
Okay, cool.
This is a regular denim jacket, but this is, you see, this is the raw fabric. But what we did, these are the laser. This is the new innovations. The best part of it, when you do manually, this one piece to other piece, it doesn't match. But when you do in laser, the synchronization is more uniform, and you can do the 3D laser and everything. And
did you cook this one up?
Yeah, this is made by us.
You cooked it?
Yes, we
show him you cooked it. Show him like that.
Yeah,
my boy cooking it. Yeah, you going crazy. So this is a laser distress.
Yes.
And it's the new technology.
It's a new technology.
Okay, cool. So whenever you guys come to these trade shows, you got to remember, they're going to always want to show you the newest edge, the newest cutting edge, the newest technologies. And a lot of times on denim, we've seen prints, we've seen patches, but this is something called laser distressing. So imagine like, is there a big machine? How much is the machine to do this?
This is a 3D robotic machine. So we hang on in the model, and the machine the laser moves around and make the design.
How much is that machine?
The machine cost?
Yeah.
The machine cost around 1.2 million.
You rich?
Yeah.
My boy rich.
They're a company, so we make it for everyone.
That's crazy. So.
And this is the best part is this is sustainable, because when you do it in laser, you don't need the use of water or other toxic chemicals.
Labor. Yeah. Okay, that's what's up. So guys, whenever you come to these shows, remember, you can get really creative because this is a brand new technology that just came out. So imagine, you know, the different types of things that you could create with this technology. If they wanted to find you, where could they find you at? So this is his contact right here, guys. You want to have them reach out, WhatsApp, email?
WhatsApp, email, WeChat.
Okay, cool. And this is Hasbul, the denim cooker. One more time, denim cooker. Yeah, that Barani.
And I'm from Pioneer Denim.
Yeah, Pioneer Denim. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh, nice. This is real mink?
Nope, not real. Fake fur.
Fake fur.
Yeah.
And what would be the MOQs on something like this?
500.
500 pieces?
Yeah, 500.
And what's the price on it?
What price? 14.
14?
Yeah, 40.
Oh, 40, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you had me shook about 14. 40, right?
Yeah.
14.
Yeah.
Oh, 500 pieces.
Yeah.
And they can customize everything, or how far can they customize it? Different colors, different silhouettes?
Yeah.
All of that?
Yeah.
500 pieces.
Yeah.
So guys, you know Primetime going crazy right now for Colorado. If you want to be out there like Deion Sanders, you know what I'm saying? Go crazy with the mink fur. And like products like this, you can really go viral because think about it. Most brands aren't going to be able to make mink fur jackets like this. So on a smaller market like that, you can really upcharge a lot more. I mean, this is a $40 jacket. You could probably easily sell it for $500, $600 if you got Primetime wearing it, or if you got, you know, any of those celebrities types wearing this type of jacket. Oh, if they wanted to find you, how could they find you? Oh, so you guys can do the WeChat right here, or you could hit up this cell phone number. Obviously the cell phone number won't work, but you could do the email. So you guys sell, I see you guys sell like a lot of knitwear.
Yes.
What would be the price on something like this?
For something like that, it would be something between $50 and $70.
50?
Yes.
Why are you capping so much?
Because it's alpaca, it's a natural fiber.
Oh, 50?
50.
Like 50?
Yes.
And what's the minimums on something like this?
50.
50?
As minimum, yes. And the price reduces when you order more.
Order more.
So,
Let's say
yes.
I were to get like 500 of these, what would the price drop down to? Roughly, give me a ballpark.
Probably 10%,
10%?
5 to 10%, yes.
What about this, but like in a shirt? You know how this is like a blouse? What would it
Yeah,
be like
cardigan.
in a shirt? Cardigan, yeah.
Yeah, it's like the same.
Same.
Price, yes.
50.
Yes, 50,
Yeah. Why
50
is-
to 70.
Why is it so expensive? Is it just the fabric and the process?
Yes, it's a fiber because of wool is extracted from animals. It is very, it's one of the finest in the world.
Okay.
And it's very cozy and warm. But also you can wear it in, not so hot, but
Where is this made in?
in Peru.
Peru. Oh,
Yes.
okay. I didn't know that they made this type of stuff in Peru. That's crazy. And what do you think that somebody who has a brand, if they were to order something like this, what should they retail it for?
This one, for the material, maybe between $70 or $100.
$100 I sell.
Yes.
Ah.
There's people who pays even more.
Yeah, 500, 600.
Yes, for one of these, for example.
Yeah, put it on.
Yeah.
Show the drip. Ooh, you look fly. Nice. What is this, like a poncho?
It's
How much is this one?
$80.
$80. That's the most expensive poncho I've ever seen. What about these? You guys got
But
skirts
you know
too?
what? In Peru, tourists, they sell this in about $500.
500.
Yes.
That's called capping. Say it with me, we capping.
We cap.
Yeah, capping. Guys, so when you come to shows, right? The one thing I do like is, yes, the price points are a little bit higher, but you got to remember, when you shopping at Marnie's, how much you spending at Marnie's? 500, 600, 1,000. So instead of shopping at Marnie's, what you could do is you could meet up with this factory right here, and you could go crazy and make your own similar sort of Marnie type clothes. And obviously you could be the one that's finessing for 500. If they wanted to find you, how could they find you? You guys, you guys have Instagram.
Instagram, yes.
Oh, how come nobody has Instagram? You're the first one to have Instagram out here.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. You guys want to find them on Instagram right here, okay? Thank you so much.
Thank you.